Tucked into the foothills of the San Bernardino National Forest, the wild Lilac House by Walker Workshop is designed as a quiet refuge from city life. A retreat that celebrates the rugged beauty of Southern California. Surrounded by desert chaparral and mountain views, this 4,000-square-foot property blends architecture and landscape into one continuous experience. The home is composed of the main residence and a smaller pool house, carefully positioned to follow the natural slope of the site. Instead of fighting the terrain, the design embraces it. A series of thickened east-west walls anchor the structure into the mountain, creating distinct living zones while shielding the interiors from the intense California sun. The heart of the house is an indoor-outdoor fireplace that ties the spaces together. A perfect gathering spot that blurs the boundaries between interior comfort and the raw landscape beyond. Around it, textures of concrete, plaster, and warm natural materials create a calm, tactile atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless. Inside the main residence, the layout feels both grounded and open. A 3-car garage leads into spacious common areas where the living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly together. Large sliding glass doors open to the pool on one side, and to sweeping sunset views of the valley on the other, allowing light and air to move freely through the home. A few steps above, the pool house sits gently against the hillside, overlooking the main residence. From here, the outdoor living area unfolds around a serene lap pool, a Baja shelf for lounging, and a spa that mirrors the tranquil rhythm of the mountains. For moments of solitude, a second private spa off the master suite frames the perfect view of the setting sun. The material palette reinforces the home's dialogue with its surroundings. Gray plaster and cast-in-place concrete blend softly with the dusty tones of the desert, and the shifting colors of the California sky. Minimal landscaping lets native vegetation take center stage, making the home feel like a natural extension of the terrain rather than an intrusion. Wild Lilac House is more than a mountain getaway. It's a study in restraint, balance, and connection to nature. Every wall, every window, and every outdoor space is crafted to remind its inhabitants that luxury doesn't come from excess, but from harmony with the land. It's California modernism at its most authentic, peaceful, elemental, and effortlessly beautiful.